Hello all, hope you all doing good. Now we look into all-time top 20 best biopic movies in India. So let's go. 28th one is Sanju. Ranbir Kapoor nailed in the role of Sanjay Dutt. Special credits to director Rajkumar Hirani. It is one of the best biopic movie ever made in India. 19th one is Super 30. It is a biopic of Anand Kumar, a maths teacher from Patna. Hrithik Roshan did an amazing job in justifying this role. Surely one of the best performances of Hrithik. 18th one is Bandit Queen. It is a biopic of Poolan Devi. It is one of the finest and raw content in Indian cinema. 17th one is Manji. It is an amazing movie. Direction, performance, everything is so perfect. Nawazuddin Siddiqui did a great job with his performance. 16th one is Manto. It is a biopic of famous Indian writer Saadat Hasan Manto. Special credits to director Nandita Das and Nawazuddin Siddiqui once again rocked the screen with his brilliant acting. 15th one is Sarabjit. Special credits to Randeep Hooda. He transformed himself for justifying the role. Surely he is one of the best actors in India. 14th one is Ali Gar. Manoj Bajpayee and Rajkumar Rao played in lead roles. You will be amazed by the performance of Manoj Bajpayee. 13th one is MS Dhoni, The Untold Story. It is a biopic of our most loved Indian cricketer, Dhoni. Sushant Singh Rajput did amazing job in justifying the role of Dhoni. 12th one is Mahanati movie from Telugu. It is a biopic of one of the most admired actress, Savitri. Kirti Suresh acting is just top notch. She got National Award for her acting. Surely it is the best biopic film in Telugu. 11th one is Pansing Tomar. Irfan Khan played in the lead role and he did a great justice to this role. Tenth one is Mary Kom. Priyanka Chopra did a good job in her role. The film is about the story of Mary Kom, who raised the bar of women empowerment. Ninth one is Dangal. Aamir Khan did an amazing job in justifying the role of Mahavir Singh Fogart. The movie is made with 70 crores but collected a huge of more than 2100 crores. Eighth one is Bag Milkha Bag. The biopic is about one of the best athletes in India, Milkha Singh. Take a bow for Farhan Akhtar. He lived the role of Milkha Singh. Special thanks to director Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra, an excellent direction. Seventh one is Neerja. It is a biopic of Neerja, flight attendant who risked her life to save the passengers from the attack of terrorists. Acting, direction, detailing, everything is so perfect. The film is so inspiring of a brave girl. Sixth one is Tanhaji, the Unsung Warrior. Everyone did wonderful job in their roles. Ajay Devgan did a great job with his performance. Fifth one is Gaur Haridastan, The Freedom File. It is a biopic of another freedom fighter, Sri Gaur Haridas from Odisha. The film deserves much more reception than it received. Everyone did a fantastic job on their roles, especially Vinay Pathak. He just nailed with his performance. Fourth one is Sardar movie, a biopic of our Iron Man Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Paresh Rawal did an amazing job in recreating Sardarji role. A must-watch biopic film. Third one is Alluri Sita Ramaraju from Telugu. Film is based on Alluri Sita Ramaraju. The movie became industry hit at the box office. Krishna did an excellent job as Alluri. He justified the role. Movie got many awards including one national award. A must-watch if you want to witness Alluri Sita Ramaraju on screen. Second one is The Legend of Bhagat Singh. It is a biopic of Bhagat Singh. Ajay Devgan just lived in this role. He got National Award for the Best Actor. First one is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, The Forgotten Hero. It is one of the best biopic movie ever made in India. The story is all about our Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. I would recommend every Indian to watch this gem. So that's all. Please do subscribe to this channel for more videos. Take care.